Hello everyone, welcome to the 12 days of Christmas tree. Today is day number 8.
I am going to share with you how I did this decoupage Christmas tree with napkins.
Designs, unique expressions.
I'm going to paint my tree form in white to blend in better and have a white background for my decoupage. I'm going to use these napkins, I have plenty, and I'm gonna use this clear coat flat by Dixie Belle as my decoupage medium. I show you later another technique to do decoupage better on flat surfaces. So let's get going. Let's start by painting the tree.
And using a mask to protect my lungs. I waited 30 minutes and then I sanded in between coats. I applied 3 coats of this primer white paint because I want to completely cover the wood tone. I want my background to be completely white. And now I'm just going to prepare all the napkins. Napkins usually have 2 to 3 plies and all I need is the first one, so I'm getting rid of all the other 2. And this one in particular, it was a task. It was hard to remove those 2 plies, but I did it. This is my last. Now I have all the napkins prepared. And I'm not cutting them with scissors, I am just tearing them. I'm wetting the napkin with a little bit of water using a small brush. I decided to paint the trees with chalk paint by Waverly in color white. I'm adding a little bit of water because it's very thick. The reason why I decided to do this is because the spray paint didn't really cover that much. The wood was showing through and I want the tree to be completely white. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of this and then I'm going to let it dry and start the decoupaging. And after the tree was completely dry, I'm going to start decoupaging, applying the clear coat with a sponge brush. I like to put the clear coat on a plate so it's easier for me to access to it. And this is the part that you should enjoy the most because it's where the creativity comes, right? You just place the napkins in the places that you think they go better. Don't overthink it too much because it doesn't matter. It's all good. It's very organic. I'm going to be using cling wrap. This helps to get rid of the wrinkles and bubbles. This is the fun part, just placing them in the way that I want, not thinking too much about it, just having fun and placing them where they go best. Now with the other side, it's the same concept in the middle. I don't want to put anything because these 2 wood slice across each other, one on top of the other, so I want to make sure that nothing is in the middle. So the placement of all my napkins have to be towards the edge of the tree.
this is how it's looking so far. I still need to get rid of this extra. I'll show you how I do that. And keeping always the middle empty without the napkin because it's where the other piece is going to slide in. See, the other piece needs to slide in, and so the middle part's gonna have to be right here, empty, without any napkin. So let's move on. Let's get going. Let's do the other part and then the other side.
And this is another technique that I like to use when I'm decoupaging on flat surfaces. I use my mini iron. You can use a regular house iron without steam. I'm using a parchment paper in between. And this gets rid of all the bubbles that you couldn't get rid of before and the wrinkles. And to get rid of all the excess that it's here, I'm going to just sand it off very lightly. And I did the same thing on the other side. And that's it. Let me know what you think. I love the way it came out. It's very elegant, very simple, and beautiful. So what do you think? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Merry Christmas. Until next time. Goodbye.